Toxic. Joining us now is model TVJ Williams, sharing the story of her remarkable restart, and I'm going to say her divine helper, her destiny helper, founder of GAG Management Company, Gerald A. Gordon, whose lens helped set her modeling career back in motion. Good morning to you both. Happy Friday. Good to see you.
Thank you for having us.
This story nice like rice. And I don't eat rice really, but when I do, it's very nice. But tell me, it's okay. Lundy, can I beg a piece of tissue, please? Gerald, let me start with you. You saw this young lady and something said, I need to stop. Tell me what you saw and what you did.
So I was driving to church that Sunday morning, and we have several branches here in Jamaica. So what happened is that dropping off something at the branch in Portmore Avenue, and that's when I actually saw Taji leaving the Portmore Avenue branch. Immediately I drove past her, something clicked. That girl is a model. So reverse. So the reverse, I was like, this probably creepy or something. I was start, but I said, let's give it a shot.
You just said, no, sir, please to keep on driving.
Yeah, and that's immediately I stopped there and I said, are you a model? I said, good day, are you a model? She said, yes, I have some experience. And I said, I'd love to do a photo shoot with you. At the time, you know, my other colleague there was in the car with me, and she was like, what? And then at the same time I said to her, start recording this for me, because this is a viral moment.
You knew.
Like immediately I said, I need documentation of this. Yeah,
what struck you about her?
It's something that, you know, it comes natural. It's almost like having the eye for, you know, to see in these creative persons and the unique appearance. So when I see them on the road, it's actually not the first time I've ever seen somebody that said that, listen, you look like a model. So it's something that my eyes can see that the normal average person eyes cannot see. Whenever we see them, say, whoa, that person have a model structure.
Yeah. I mean, and you do. So when Mr. Could Be Creepy stopped, when this man pulled up to you and what did you think, truly, in that moment?
Well, honestly, I was kind of iffy and butty at the same time.
Iffy and butty at the same time? Yeah.
I was wondering, you know, when you know that someone was looking at you but you're not sure, it's like you have a eye in the back of your head.
Yeah, especially in this present day Jamaica.
So I was completely aware of the environment, but for some unknown reason, I felt like someone stopped on the other side of the road and they were like literally staring. So I was wondering, why do I feel this this way, like feel this weird thing like someone is staring at me and everything. So then my mind told me to turn around. So I turned around and I saw I was looking right
at his eye.
He was saying, so he said to me, could I talk to you for a moment? So I was wondering why.
Exactly.
Why do you want to talk to me and I don't know you? So I gave it a chance, went over and I spoke with him. And I realized it was not like anything scary or anything alarming. So when I went and he asked me if I had ever done modeling before, so I told him yes, I have. And that was it.
The rest is history.
Yep.
You've done your first commercial. We're going to talk about that. But let's go back to the modeling when you started. It was right around COVID time?
No,
or before?
It was before COVID time. So it was from about 2018, 2019. So after that was kind of rocky and everything, dealing with motherhood because I have a child.
9-year-old, right?
Yeah.
And he has Down syndrome.
He has Down syndrome.
So
his name is Tajori Taylor.
Tajori.
Yeah.
Is he
So I named
watching?
him off of me. I'm not sure if he's watching at this time.
Okay.
Oh, well, I really hope he is.
If he is, then you can
say, hi, Tajori.
Yeah. So you're navigating motherhood, navigating working, and navigating motherhood as a parent, mother of a child, as a single parent of a child with special needs. It is not, it's far from it easy. It's a difficult road.
Yes.
They call it what it is.
Many times I've cried.
Yeah.
So many times.
Yeah.
Ask God, why? Why me?
So when you get an opportunity, it's okay, Mama. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Because then he sends you people like Gerald
Yeah.
Because you say no, that what you're doing really is for him. This opportunity could be
Yeah,
made for
trust
him.
me. Like sometimes I will ask myself, cause when the video, honestly, I never knew that I've went so far because I said it's actually not the first I've had an opportunity. I've seen somebody and stopped them to say that you're a model. Because I remember a young man from KC that I stopped to around the same 2018 time around, and I said, "You're a model." And you know, at the time I wasn't sure if this is something that I want to do in pursuing management company. So normally when I discover them, I would then pass them on to other management company here in Jamaica. He went on to land in a big contract in New York, everything. So when I saw her, I never knew it would have even gone viral. And then the comments and everything that coming from me. At the time I was in DR when the video went viral at DR Fashion Week, and I remember laying there that particular night. I was like, why Tajay? And
Why no?
why no? Why this moment?
Timing,
And
divine.
as we're from
Yeah.
that moment, since the video's gone viral, I've spent a lot of time reflecting, and it's becoming whole to me. Like, wow, like maybe I'm really her destiny helper.
She needed you know. She needed you know. So the commercial has come. Taj, you have goals in this thing. You want to go. So you've started to research, right?
I've been doing research.
Yeah, because you're saying at your age, a lot of models, they're like, you know, their careers are ending, but it's different now.
Different.
What have you found, Taj, and what is your hope then, having found what you found?
Well, I just hope to inspire others.
But you realize there's room for you to grow further in this?
I know,
Yeah.
because I've actually done a lot of researches. I've been researching from like children and going up. So I was wondering, how is it that persons have been saying, you reach a certain age, you can't do that anymore. So I usually would ask them, why do you think you can't do anything?
That's right.
You don't know when your time is going to come.
Right.
You don't know when God is going to put you in a higher place than you were before. So the goal is not to give up, but just continue persevering.
Can you say you see foot muggle, hand muggle, side muggle, back muggle?
All different.
Yeah. So
Even disabled models.
That's
Even
right.
persons can be disabled and they can get a shot at this. Why can't I?
Yeah, that's right. So you're going for it. You're thinking about pageantry too?
Yes, I am.
Tell me a little bit about that.
So I'm a contestant in the Miss Global.
I am a contestant.
Yes, I am.
Studio, can we get a round of applause for Taj? Like, you're not looking into it, you are.
I am.
God, one step, you know, that's how we do it. This is the reason your intervention came at the time it did.
Yeah. So we were actually on a relief after the Hurricane Melissa. We were in Trelawney at a relief program, and the director for the Miss Global organization came over and I was sitting at front of the bus, and he was like, I'm not asking you, I'm telling you, I'm immediately casting her into becoming one of the contestants of Miss Global. And she's now started her journey, you understand. We're just trying to get sponsorship now, because we're in the sponsorship phase.
We need a sponsor for Tajay, please.
For Tajay,
yes,
definitely.
Tajay Williams, Miss
Global.
Your company.
That's
Insert name here.
That's it, I understand. And he came and he's like, she's beautiful. She is beautiful.
I mean, I'm looking at the picture behind you. She is stunning in that frock. Like, you make the frock look good. I mean, the frock nice still, but we not blow and all these things. And I mean, how do you feel when you're modeling, Taj? You feel like
Feel empowered.
you feel empowered. I see it in your
Literally embodied the whole thing.
I'm so, oh my gosh, look at these shots, man.
Yeah.
You know, persons actually like the one in storing the
Fabric.
fabric itself.
Did I see that one?
Yeah, the one in the red is actually a fabric that was shown to her.
Yeah, the same. That's how it actually came out.
Girl, you are stunning. You are stunning. Gerald, your eye did good. Cause trust. So where do you see her going? This is your world, right?
This is definitely, as I said, you know, it's the whole JG management company is a new thing for me. We're currently even having an open call now for other talents, but I believe that it has propelled me into a higher dimension, a new level, and a new look, actually understanding what is it my purpose that is called for, and that is why we're calling it a talent management company. But where Tajay is concerned, I'm definitely looking forward to higher level. By the grace of God, we've been engaged by international agency. At the moment, you understand? We can't say much, but you know, it has just been open doors after open doors after open doors. Kept saying to her, even driving here this morning, I kept saying to her, Tajay, you're going to be big.
This is your time.
You're going to be big. Even as we walk in studio, somebody was like, wow, I see a light over you.
When she said the door was creaking open during COVID, you kick it in now, miss it.
So I'm just looking forward to, you know, what God have in store for her, and definitely helping her to definitely be a voice, especially for her child.
Sure.
There are times that she would have now of lately bring her child on set, and I was like, you know, bring your child.
I was thinking about carrying him to.
Yeah, I said, no, bring a child to the studio, because I own a studio in Portmore. And I said, bring a child to the studio. Let's, you know, let's work. Let's you know, let him be a part of it. And as I watch and I see the fire in his eye that his mom is doing this, and I keep saying to her, do it for you and your child.
For him, yeah.
Definitely.
We have to go GAG Management. Social at GAG Management?
So GAG Management Company.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you're watching this morning and you want to get in touch with Gerald to sponsor Miss Global, right?
Yeah.
Then you do that. But if you just want to work with her, she does
Commercial, international, local.
Okay, see, there you go.
You know, the campaigns, you name it, anything that's associated with modeling, you understand, good modeling, you understand. Also, we want a reputation and, you know, the best foot forward. We want the best for her.
All right.
Yeah.
We're going to go, just a quick, yes, go on.
I'd like to send a special shout out to Sheba Shengs Couture for providing me with the
outfit.
suit.
Yeah,
the outfit.
you look nice. Yeah, saying a lie. Yeah. Okay, okay. Folks, it's never too late. That's what Tajay says. It's never too late, and you just never ever know when your break is gonna come. Just be open and willing to embrace it when it does. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you for having us.
All the best to you, madam.
Thank you.
Appreciate you being here with us this morning. Tajay Williams, model, GAG Management Company, and Gerald A. Gordon, who is the founder of the same company. Woman, them nice, you know? Pretty bad, clean. Nice. After the break, we'll make a fun stop. Soon come.